So we're here at the Chisholm house, and we're replacing the back-facing windows facing south. He's got some beautiful windows here, and he's really looking to accentuate the view from the inside out. You can see that the original windows built back in 1991-92 had mutton bars in them, and he's changing that to a very clean look. It's going to be a full picture window. So instead of it being an opening, it's going to be a very clean look all the way out to this new decking and patio that he did. I think it's going to be a very clean look and something that they're going to be very happy with. So as you can see, we've got the windows in. We still have some work to do to be able to clean up, take off the tags, and we have some film on here, and we need to be able to, and we need to caulk it to get it finished. But this is really going to make a huge difference for the homeowner. This 366 low E is going to allow him to leave these open and enjoy the sunshine in his back patio area, and keep the cold out. In the wintertime, his tile won't be cold inside, and it will keep his temperature stable. And in the summertime, that south heat that he always gets, he's not going to have to worry about that heating up that area. So I think he's really going to enjoy it. Plus, I'm really excited about the fact that he went with these picture windows. There's no breaks in them. It's going to be a very clean look for him. So he that fits his lifestyle, him and his wife. They like that real clean look, and he's real excited about it. So I'm excited we were able to do that for him. Here we are back at the Chisholm house to see the finished product of our work last week. You can see that these picture windows that the Chisholms chose really accentuates the beauty of their patio. It really gives it a very nice, clean look. You can enjoy the outside from inside, and vice versa. So I think the finished product is very pretty, and the homeowner made a very good choice in choosing those.